Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. Today we got a very interesting call. It's actually a big corporation. They have 2 forklifts and 6 things that are called chariots and a golf cart. So we're gonna go pick up those things. I'm gonna show you a video or a picture when we get there, and hopefully we can load them all up. I got a towing company that's supposed to meet us there too. So I'm gonna try to bring them all back to my property and maybe do a better video on it. But yeah, so we're heading there. It's about an hour drive, so we'll see you when we get there. All right guys, we just left that station over there. We had to fill out some paperwork to let us in, and now she said come up here to the stop sign and take a left, and apparently it's over by the 400 loading dock. So we're gonna go over there and see if we can find this stuff. All right guys, so we are taking this forklift which actually runs, so hopefully I can resell that eventually. And then this one, this had 3 pallets at a time that they could put on that thing. So that thing I'm definitely gonna get towed out of here. Waiting for the tow guy to come right now, and I'm gonna show you what we loaded up on the dump trailer. All right guys, so we got 6 of these things. These are the chariot things I was talking about there. They're just little things for people to ride around on. And we got this golf cart, which who knows if it's salvageable, but we will find out. We're gonna just take this all back to the property and then kind of go over everything there. We're waiting on the tow truck guy to come pick up these 2. I might be able to get that forklift on my dump trailer now that I know that it actually runs. All right guys, we are about to load up this big one onto the tow truck. All right guys, we are loading this up right now. A lot of weight on that side. But we got it all picked up, so now we're gonna head back to the property. All right guys, I'm back at the property, so let's go over everything we got from this. So we got these are called chariots actually. They're about 5,000 brand new, believe it or not, and you just stand on them and just ride them around, I guess. So we got 6 of those. Not sure if we can get any of them to work, but hopefully we can. Then we got this golf cart, which one wheel was off of it, but we can definitely get the wheel back on. And people will buy these even if, you know, they don't run or anything like that. So hopefully we can get some money for that. And then I'll show you the forklift. So here's the forklift. It actually did run, but they took their tank off the back here, but it runs hot. So I'm gonna see if my mechanic can maybe fix it, or I'm just gonna try to sell it as is. But really happy we got that. So there was another forklift that had those really long forks on it. I actually told the guy if he wanted that for a tip, he could just go scrap it, which it's probably $200 to $300 in scrap alone, but that would just be easier than me trying to unload it. Then, you know, I would have had to chop it up or something if I couldn't sell it. I mean, I didn't think I have a good chance of selling that. Those chariots and this forklift, I definitely think I can sell. So we actually got paid $1,450 to take all that stuff. I had to pay the tow guy $400. So total profit, $1,050. And I think I can sell a lot of this stuff too. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and we'll see you guys next time.